Hello students, welcome to Kavya's tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to prepare royalty analytical table. By using the royalty analytical table, we'll learn how to prepare journal entries, and from the journal entries we'll learn how to prepare the ledger account. Okay, the given question is, a coal company took on lease a mine on a royalty of rupees 1 per ton of coal raised with a minimum rent of rupees 10,000 per annum. The lessor provided that the short workings can be recovered in the first 3 years only. The output for the 5 years are as follows. Okay. From the given question, we'll prepare the following table labeled as royalty analytical table. In this question, year and output is given and minimum rent is also given. Minimum rent is of 10,000 per year. So for all the years you need to put minimum rent as 10,000. And royalty amount is calculated with reference to the quantity produced based on the output. And in the question, royalty amount is per ton, it is 1 rupee. So the amount will be same as output, which is 2,000. 5,000, 15,000, 18,000 and 20,000. And short workings amount is the amount by which the royalty falls short than the minimum rent. So here the shortfall is of 8,000. When there is a shortfall, we don't have any surplus. In first year we don't have any recouped short workings amount and non-recouped amount. In second year, the minimum rent is more. So we have short workings again here. The short workings is 5,000. And we don't have surplus, no recouped and not recouped short workings amount also. In third year, the royalty amount is more. So we got surplus here. We don't have short working here. We got surplus. Surplus is of 5,000. So in the given question, he asked us to take the short workings recouped in first 3 years. So in first 3 years, we can recoup the short workings. The total short workings is 13,000. So out of 13,000, if we deduct 5,000, the recouped amount will be 5,000 and recouped amount will be 8,000. Here the royalty amount is more and minimum rent is less. So it is surplus again, which is 8,000. Here we are not going to make any adjustments because he has asked us to adjust only in the initial first 3 years. So no recoupment and no recouped one. Here in the fifth year, the royalty amount is 2,000 and minimum rent is 10,000. So we don't have any short workings here. Again we have 10,000 of surplus here. This is the royalty amount. This is the minimum rent amount. This is the short workings amount. Okay. And the amount paid to the landlord is whichever is more compared to the royalty and minimum rent. Whichever is more, we have to pay that amount to the landlord. So in first year, among these both, minimum rent is more. So we have to pay landlord 10,000. In second year, royalty amount is less, minimum rent is more. So we'll pay minimum rent in second year as well. And coming to the third year, there is adjustment. So we need to deduct we got surplus of 5,000. So we need to deduct the 5,000 from the royalty amount. Royalty amount is 15,000. 15,000 minus 5,000 is 10,000. So we are paying 10,000 again to the royalty to the landlord, and 8,000 is not recouped. So this will be staying into the profit and loss account. Okay. And coming to the fourth year, royalty account is 18,000 and minimum rent is 10,000. So as royalty account is more, royalty amount is more, we have to pay royalty amount to the landlord, which is 18,000. In fifth year again 20,000. Royalty amount is 20,000 and minimum rent is 10,000. So we have to pay 20,000 to the landlord. This is how we are going to prepare the royalty analytical